Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fantasy Pepe token. Ticker symbol is FEPE. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on Etherscan. This is a brand new token that's about to start their pre-sale soon. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token you can find listed on coinsniper.net in the pre-sale section. This is a brand new token, just got put into the pre-sale section list there because their pre-sale is actually starting in 1 day. Now, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, as usual, at fantasy_Pepe. It says official Fantasy Pepe Twitter, where memes play to win, AI-driven matches, staking, prediction market, and pure meme magic. Join the league. Has a link to their webpage, and that's where the pre-sale is right there, fantasypepe.com. 9,803 followers, 18 posts so far. So if you go to that webpage right there, it's got a countdown. It says pre-sale is cooking. Stay tuned. The pre-sale starts in 1 day, 3 hours, 26 minutes, and it's counting down. And it gives you the payment option. So you could buy this pre-sale with card or USDT or ETH, since this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. Now there is a how to buy section that you could follow step by step. There's buy buttons all over the place, frequently asked questions, you name it. But basically, if you wanted to get this token, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, any one of those wallets. You could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH. Now, you can fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, you'd go over to the webpage that's linked on the Twitter right there, connect your wallet, punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Fantasy Pepe tokens you get for that amount. Click purchase. When the pre-sale is over, you claim your tokens. You will have to wait a day until the pre-sale starts, but I mean, very early on this pre-sale. It hasn't even started yet. Generally, how these pre-sales work too is they have multiple stages. They start with phase 1, and gradually as the phases go on, the price increases, so you get more of a discount the earlier you get in. And yeah, so they have a full white paper, they have a Telegram with Twitter. It says, meme leagues, play football, you predict, you win, friend. Issuer of Fantasy Pepe token, FEPE, the ticker symbol. And it says here that in the ever-evolving landscape of the meme culture and decentralized finance, Fantasy Pepe emerges as a groundbreaking fusion of AI-powered sports simulation, on-chain prediction markets, and community-driven governance, built on the foundation of memetic virality and blockchain technology. The Fantasy Pepe token introduces a unique fantasy football ecosystem where legendary teams such as Pepe United, Doge Pirates, and Sigma XL, and others compete in AI-driven matches. At the core of Fantasy Pepe is the dynamic ecosystem that powers staking, governance, and AI-driven football leagues. Once the pre-sale concludes, FEPE will be listed on decentralized exchanges, unlocking further growth and adoption. So, if you're watching this video, way later, like a year later or something, most likely the token will be available by that time on a decentralized exchange like Uniswap. Uniswap is the main decentralized exchange for Ethereum tokens, and this is on the Ethereum blockchain. So through the decentralized prediction market, users can bet on match outcomes using the FEPE token. These matches are AI generated and happen in real time, lasting only 60 seconds. ChatGPT coaches the team while DeepSeek leads the other, both using AI-driven strategies to compete. That's interesting. And then Grok acts as the referee, making final decisions on controversial plays. Matches follow real-world football events, allowing users to predict winners and earn rewards. And no, Elon Musk with his Grok won't be involved unless he decides to launch the whole game to Mars. Now, Fantasy Pepe is more than just a meme coin. It's an interactive, gamified experience that rewards participation, community involvement, and long-term holding with strategic influencer partnerships, NFT integrations, and future expansions. FEPE is set to redefine how meme culture, AI, and blockchain technology converge in the digital age. Join the next evolution of meme finance, where AI meets sports and memes meet utility. Welcome to Fantasy Pepe, FEPE. Football is the biggest sport in the world, with over 3.5 billion fans. Memes, they run the internet. So they're combining both of those. And their solution here, bring in Fantasy Pepe, where legendary meme teams face off with the AI-powered text-based football matches. So we get the idea here. So we can scroll down here and check out the tokenomics. So they have a roadmap, actually. This is, we pretty much went over the tokenomics already. But the roadmap here says public pre-sale is the first phase. And then after is going to be the token launch on decentralized exchanges. Then we have the AI prediction market launch after that. And it says there's going to be the Polygon network involved, chosen for ultra low fees. And this is going to be used for pool deposits, bets, withdrawals. Staking pool users can lock tokens for daily rewards. There's going to be a smart contract audit. There's going to be token utility for staking, etc. And so it says total supply, 125 billion tokens, no private or seed sale. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.